Guys, Michael here again as your second favorite stock investment trader, and I'm here to announce well, wouldn't you know it, the moment I start talking about Nikola, how it has a big GM deal, goes up, rips up 40 some odd percent, and then here we are today, back to where we were, square one from that moment of the news. The stock opened up, I believe it was about $38 as far as per share price, down from the tops of almost $55. Now you ask yourself, what just happened? Michael, you just put out a video yesterday of a day late at that, about how the shares were up. GM had this great news, millions upon millions of shares were traded, and here we are right back down to where we were. Is this significant? And I tend to think so. We actually had 2 days of down and roughly about the same amount of volume traded as that one big day that it went up. So that's something that we really need to take into consideration while we're trading this stock now. So what do we do now? Well, I say, hey, we're still up 400% from the time that it made its run in the beginning. This stock was roughly a $10 stock just 4 months ago, and now we're trading at 40. So I just doubt there's anything to fear, and it's back to its baseline. So I think the best thing to do right now at this time is to sit and wait and see what happens. Wait to see if it bounces off of this previous lines of support. It tends to really enjoy the stock itself for the last month, really enjoys this $30, $40 area. So maybe it's just time to wait and see if we can break above that. Or, maybe there's a time for you to gather more, accumulate more shares if you really believe that Nikola is gonna be what it's gonna be in the future. Maybe this is the one time that you say to yourself, like I mentioned in the last video, Tesla used to be a $40 stock, ran up to 2,000. So could this be your opportunity to be one of those big holders of Nikola at this price share here? So maybe you start to accumulate your shares, but for those that are trading options like myself, I think this is time for us to kind of sit and wait. Maybe even take advantage of some of the premium that's inside of the options and start selling our puts and calls. But if not, if you're looking for more of a speculative move and you're wanting to see if it can go long again and get some new record highs and start testing those all-time highs again, then maybe we just wait for another break and start going long again. But also want to add, here's the reason. Here is the main reason why it's down, because you might be asking yourself, what the heck, what just happened? GM releases, they're getting 11% stake in the company, and we're back down. Why is that? Well, news, baby, news, rumors even, possibly. So Hindenburg is the name of the big short seller that is trying to take on Nikola and basically calling it a big fraud. I think the exact words were intricate fraud. This company is an intricate fraud that is working its way to manipulate people and get their money and steal it from everyone. So they are a big short seller and came out into the public and said that. This is exact wording from thestreet.com as a news source. But as you may have guessed, obviously Nikola and especially the CEO, Trevor Milton, came out on Twitter and said the following, and I'm paraphrasing a little bit because I didn't want to write down the whole entire thing. He says that cowards run, leaders stay and fight, and they are making people love us more by trying to destroy us. Strong words. Sounds like a leader though. That's somebody that really believes in their company, and he should say something like that. And I think this really deserves a comeback. Whenever you are being told publicly that you are a fraud or your company is a fraud, that it's something to look into. And also, here's I think what really I'm considering this as staying in the game per se. So if I had my longs in equity, which I don't, I'm just going to be transparent, I do not at this moment. GM is actually holding to their guns. GM actually made a public announcement and says that they will stand by their statements related to Nikola in the first place. So they're going to keep pursuing that 11% interest and one director position on the board. So I think it's still something that's really up in the air. I believe that we have a good time to accumulate some more shares, and nothing to fear. Nothing to fear. Yeah, hopefully you didn't buy there at the 50. That sucks, but maybe you can just keep on holding and keep on accumulating here while it's down again back into the $48 range. So if you like this news, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a share. No, you can share it, and please do subscribe if you like this kind of information, and I will hopefully continue to do so. Also, if you have not yet, this is a great opportunity for you to get a hold of Webull. Webull is a brokerage that right now is giving away new accounts, or giving 2 free stocks away for new accounts once you deposit $100. So please take advantage of that, and you'll see in the offer code down below. And also, if you'd like to get with me, get with other traders like myself as well, and join a good group of traders that think like-minded, especially with the options, there will be another link down below with our Discord to our Trade Brigade Discord channel. So thank you guys very much. Hope you all have a great day. Take care.